Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Simply Shiksha. In this video, I will talk about the top 5 highest paying jobs in the aviation industry. Aviation is the most opted career today as it offers lucrative opportunities and has flexible academic requirements. So let's get started. The starting salary in aviation ranges from 2 lakhs rupees to 5 lakhs per annum. After 5+ years of experience, the pay can go up to 15 lakhs rupees to 35 lakhs per annum. At number 5 is ground staff. Ground service staff's job is to help the passengers by attending before and in between the flight. Their work is to solve the passengers' queries, give flight operations, and ensure that the passengers won't face any difficulties during the flight. Their skill set requirements are 10+ to certification and a degree or diploma in airport ground staff training. The salary ranges from 2 lakhs rupees to 4 lakhs per annum. It varies from airline to airline. At number 4 is the air traffic controller. The job of an ATC is very hectic, and ATC's role is crucial in in-flight operations. They monitor and direct the movement of aircraft. They ensure safe takeoff and landing by guiding pilots and managing traffic flow in the air on runways and taxiways. Keeping pilots informed about the weather, air traffic and status of the runway. Their skill set requirements are a 10+ to certificate and a degree in basic science or maths, knowledge of safety protocols, and the ability to focus during long shift hours. Communication is one of the essential skills for an air traffic controller. You need to pass the entrance exam conducted by the Airport Authority of India. ATC officer is an employee of the Airport Authority of India. The salary ranges from 5 lakhs rupees to 13 lakhs per annum. At number 3 is the cabin crew. Air hostess or flight attendant. They are in charge of the cabin in the aircraft and give excellent customer service to travelers while ensuring their security and comfort throughout the flight. They are prepared to manage security and emergencies and can direct emergency treatment to travelers. Their skill set requirements are 10+ to certification and a degree in hospitality, tourism or similar sectors, fluency in English and other languages, minimum 5 feet height, medically fit certificate, and 20/40 vision. The average salary of an air hostess in India ranges from 3 lakhs rupees to 20 lakhs per annum. It varies from airline to airline. I hope the video is informative. Please click the subscribe button below. This will motivate me to create more videos on different careers for you. At number 2 is the aircraft maintenance engineer. AME is responsible for checking and fixing an aircraft's mechanical, structural and operational issues. They ensure that an aircraft operates and flies as per the standards set by the aviation department. These professionals have in-depth knowledge of the inner working of propellers, aircraft engines, and instruments. Their skill set is 10+ too, with physics, chemistry, and mathematics as the main subjects, and a 4-year degree in aeronautical engineering. The average salary of an AME in India is 5 lakhs rupees to 30 lakhs per annum. It varies from airline to airline. And finally, in the first spot is pilot. He operates aircraft to transport passengers and goods from one location to another. Pilots are employed in commercial airlines, corporations, or governments, whereas in some cases, they are self-employed and fly private jets. Their skill set requires 10+ to certification in physics and mathematics, commercial pilot's license, airline transport pilot's license, more than 2,000+ hours of flight training, 20/20 vision either naturally or with glasses, quick reflex, knowledge about safety protocols. The average pilot salary in India ranges from 10 lakhs rupees to 35 lakhs per annum. It varies from airline to airline. I hope I was able to give an insight into the jobs and skills required in the aviation industry. If you are planning to have a career in aviation, please watch my upcoming videos on how to become a pilot or cabin crew or aeronautical engineer etc., giving you a step-by-step approach to achieving your career goal. If there is any suggestion or you would like us to do a video on any other career course, do mention it in the comments and we will surely do it for you. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.